The Japs would want their numbers to go out to work on the railway, and the numbers weren't there because there were so many sick.
Mm.
The result of this was that the Japs just went into the hospital and beat out very sick men, many of them dying,
Yeah.
beat them out to work, and when the doctors protested at this and said, no, you can't send that man out to work, they just beat the doctors up. One of the Japanese characters, I'll give him a neutral word, was a Sergeant Okada, who was nicknamed Dr. Death. He was a medical unit, Japanese unit sergeant, and he placed himself above our doctors. He wouldn't listen to what they had to say. They made requests to him for medical supplies. He didn't want to know, none forthcoming. He was responsible for getting these sick men beaten out of the hut, beaten out of the hospital. Many of them died on the way to the railway.
Just on the journey out?
On the journey out. Many got there and just died there, some on their way back. It's an interesting and frightening statistic that I can give you at this point. In 1 month on the railway at Kinsaya, out of 700, we lost 140.